Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If you're experiencing an issue in Windows 11 where your runbox command history is not showing or not saving, I'll show you how to fix the issue. So, if you type command in the runbox and they don't show up the next time, it's usually because of one small privacy setting. Here's how to on that privacy setting. First, go to Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click Recommendations and Offers. Now turn on the option that says Improve Start and Search Results. Now, open your runbox, type a few commands, and close it. When you open Run again, your command history should now be saved. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.